I got a couple of requests on how we made our ice cream the other day, so I am gonna do a quick video on how to do it. It is an easy ice cream for quarantine. It's also kind of fun. You have a full, see, 32 ounces, 1 quart, basically just under 1,000 mils. You can do 1 can of condensed milk per 500 mils. So sweetened condensed milk is 14 ounces. I do 2 cans of that, 1 can of heavy whipping cream. And today we're gonna do strawberries. So we might add some vanilla, and we're gonna add some frozen chopped strawberries that I let thaw, so we'll get a nice pretty pink mixture in there. So we're gonna pour in the quart of, carefully child, whipping cream, heavy whipping cream. Now we're gonna add the sweetened condensed milk. All of it. Turn it, turn it, turn it. Kids have fun being able to make our own ice cream at home. Second can of sweetened condensed milk. Little hands helping. Takes a little bit to get it all in there. You can always take a spatula and squeegee it out. But what's the fun in that? Let's get all of it. Just gonna do a little dash of vanilla. Not even like a measurement. I would say it's about 2 teaspoons. Bake often enough. We're gonna close this down, lock it, and start it. It will take a while, but it is such a large amount of liquid for this container that it is going to slosh. So I'll keep it low, and then I'll slowly increase the speed when I see it can handle it. Obviously, the faster you can put it without a splash guard, the better. I do not have a splash guard. So this could take 5 minutes at least to get it into soft peaks, and we'll check in. Okay, so you see this? This is the kind of soft peak that you want. It's firm but not cottage cheesy. You haven't taken it too far. So when you can do that, it's a nice consistency. Let's go ahead and fold in our strawberries. It's however much you want to add, but I'm going to lightly fold it in. Enough to get it to swirl through, but not so much that it becomes like a nice homogeneous mixture. It's kind of nice to get that vanilla, and then you get that yummy strawberry mix. So I'm going to go down to the bottom, and I'm just going to fold it in. Now it's up to you. If you want to keep folding, that's fine. And that's where I'm going to stop. I want to be able to see the ribbons of strawberry through there. And now we're going to grab some containers. So I went ahead and poured it out into two 2-cup containers and 1 4-cup. So we've got 16, 32, 64 ounces of ice cream. The smaller the containers, the better, because they freeze faster. So if you want to have personal ice cream containers, go ahead and get those little 1 cup or the 4 or 8 ounce little plastic containers. They'll freeze very quickly, and you'll have single servings. In this case, I can't eat it because I can't do dairy, but this is great for the kids and hubby. So 2 small containers for now and a large container for the rest of the week. I don't think it'll last that long, but you're gonna put a lid on it, throw it in the freezer. It can take up to 5 hours to freeze thoroughly for the larger container right here, but it will be delicious, so go try it.